soy sauce, white vinegar, bay leaves, whole peppercorn, minced garlic, and half an onion. 1.5 pounds of beef. Chop the garlic. Chop the onions. You add some oil. Saute the onions and the garlic. And then cube your meat. Add in your beef. Saute until brown. Add bay leaves, half cup soy sauce, add water until it covers the beef. And stir. Add your black peppercorn. Cook for 1 hour. On the last 10 minutes, add half cup of coconut milk and half cup of vinegar. And then plate and enjoy. For more videos like this, subscribe to my channel and turn on that notification bell and like this video.